Alright, how to replace rivets on the kayak. Find these online. These are the good ones. They split at the bottom, so they actually flower out. Currently drilling out the existing rivets because there's no sealant under here, and I get a lot of water in my kayak when it's rough out. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a drill, I'm drilling out the center so the top just pops off and the bottom falls through, and then I am taking Lexel and I am filling the hole, the rivet, and then clamping it down so it looks like that. As you can see, this one's even better. And I'll give you an update. What you want to make sure you get it dead center. Dead center. Start slowly. You really don't want to go off the center of this. And be careful because you don't want to slip and put a hole in your kayak. That's it. Now what I've been doing is using a pry tool just to pry off what's left here. So just pop the top off. Be careful because you don't want to rip the whole rivet through your kayak, or else you'll be dealing with a much bigger hole. That's it. Bam. Just let that fall through. Alright, time for the next rivet. Alright, now that's off there. And what we're going to do is fill that with Lexel. I wish I had a tripod that was bigger than this little plastic thing. Get that all in there nice, filled, and put some extra on the outside there just to seal that termination pad eye to the kayak. And I also put a little on here. You don't need too much. Most of it's on the bottom of that termination pad eye. That's what's going to seal it. Okay. I'll place this through, put it in the hole, grab the camera, and I'm just going to crank it down. Make sure it's tight. It's tough to do with one hand. This last one should be it. There we go. Bam. That's it. That's tight on there. See the sealant coming out. That's good. Very good.